Switching to piped natural gas or is not just a change in fuel, but it is a shift towards smarter, safer, and more sustainable living. For households, PNG eliminates the hassle of booking and storing cylinders by offering a continuous on-demand supply. With metered billing, families pay only for what they use, ensuring cost-efficient cooking without hidden charges. Advanced safety systems and leak detection technologies further provide peace of mind, making PNG a reliable choice for modern homes. Industries benefit immensely from PNG's consistent energy flow, which removes the need for complex logistics and ensures uninterrupted production. Its cleaner combustion helps businesses meet environmental norms by significantly lowering emissions. Commercial establishments such as restaurants, hotels, and bakeries enjoy streamlined operations thanks to PNG's steady supply and simplified billing. The absence of bulky cylinders frees up valuable space, allowing businesses to optimize their layouts and improve customer experience. Across cities and towns, MeghaGas PNG is quietly transforming lives, bringing convenience to homes, efficiency to industries, and responsibility to businesses.